Hello, everybody. I'm going to attempt to make myself sneeze with pepper. Let's see if I can make myself sneeze, but...
Is this a cap? Or am I gonna have to get slapped? So apparently if I smell black pepper, it's gonna make me sneeze. We're about to find out. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. It's a cap!